Got to write War and Peace? Just plug your iPad into it. Third accessory, really nice case. Protects your iPad, but it also flips around in back of itself and is a really nice stand if you're going to do typing, and a great way to watch movies. So a nice case as well. So 3 accessories for the iPad. Now, we made a video, which we're going to put up on the web, but since we've got this really great projection system here, I thought you might like to see it on the big screen. So let's go ahead and run the video.
You know, it's true. When something exceeds your ability to understand how it works, it sort of becomes magical. And that's exactly what the iPad is. It's hard to see how something so simple, so thin and so light could possibly be so capable.
The iPhone was a revolution, and we learned so much from it and developed so many amazing technologies and all the applications, the multi-touch user interface. It was truly an incredible breakthrough product. We wanted to take all of that and apply that to a whole new class of product. The iPad is the best web surfing experience, the best email experience, the best photo and movie watching experience. It's going to change the way we do the things we do every day.
The face of the product is pretty much defined by a single piece of multi-touch glass, and that's it. There's no pointing device. There isn't even a single orientation. You know, there's no up, there's no down, there's no right or wrong way of holding it. I don't have to change myself to fit the product. It fits me.
We looked at the device and we decided, let's redesign it all. Let's redesign, reimagine, and rebuild every single app from the ground up, specifically for the iPad. And with this large a display, you get apps that aren't just a little bit better than their smaller counterparts. You get apps that are order of magnitude more powerful. The iPad is the best way to browse the web. For the same reasons that it just feels right to hold a book or a magazine or a newspaper in your hands as you read them. It just feels right to hold the internet in your hands as you surf it. And with a screen this large, you can just see more of the web as you're surfing it. And take the New York Times. You can see all the top stories. They're all just right there. If you see something, you just reach out and tap it. It's completely natural. You don't even think about it. You just do. The iPad is a world-class email client that's incredibly fun, but very productive. You can go through huge quantities of email really quickly, and it's fun because you're doing it all with your hands. When you want to compose a new message, the keyboard automatically slides up from the bottom. And this keyboard is practically the same size as a laptop's keyboard. If you want to focus on a single message, just rotate to portrait, and everything else gets out of the way so you can concentrate on the content you care about. iPad is absolutely the best way to view and share your photos. You see every one of your albums there as just a stack of photos. And you can just pinch open to peek in a stack, or just pinch it open and look at all your photos. If you want to share with a friend, you can just flip over the iPad, and the iPad automatically flips the photo to the correct orientation. This is an unbelievable device for watching video. The user interface we built for this is just fun. When you see something, you touch it with your finger and it starts playing. There's no delay. The quality of this video is amazing. You can double tap, fill the whole screen. We also built an incredible maps application on here. It's really fast. And we created a calendar application like nothing you've ever seen on a computer before. Another app we're really excited about is called iBooks. When you couple books with a high-res color display, reading an ebook is just such a pleasure. And not only can you read books on it, but the UI actually flips over to reveal a bookstore behind it. And with a tap of your finger, you can purchase and download a book and immediately start reading it. So now we have 3 phenomenal stores on the iPad. The iTunes Store, the App Store, and now the iBooks Store. We built the iPad to run virtually every one of the more than 140,000 apps available on the App Store, as well as the ones you've already downloaded onto your iPhone. So the apps you use every day and all the games you love playing will run on your iPad right out of the box. Plus, with the release of the iPad SDK, developers will be building apps specifically for the iPad. So there's going to be a whole new gold rush for app developers.